Good morning, and thank you for joining us for SBB Live. I am your host and the publisher of Seniors Blue Book, and I am very excited this morning to bring on one of our brand new partners who is over at Best Care Community and Family Health Centers, Dr. Emlyn Lewis. How are you this morning?
Good morning, Amanda. I'm doing good. Nice to meet you.
Nice to virtually meet you as well. You have such a unique practice. I want you to tell me a little bit about yourself so we can get to know you as a person. And then we're going to dive into the two different office types that you have there. But tell me a little bit about you, where you're from, how you got into the field of medicine.
Okay, Amanda. I'm originally from Haiti. Came to the U.S. Almost 20 years ago and been in the field of medicine then. Went to medical school in Dominican Republic and come here up to do all the things you have to do, and then I went to training in Puerto Rico. And for the last approximately 13 to 14 years, I've been in Florida working for multiple practices and had a couple of private practices also. And last year we basically moved to Lee County, and we basically started Best Care in Lee County and Lehigh Acres, Florida, where we basically provide full primary care services for everyone, no matter their ability to pay. So we be there for them. So there we do basically everything. We do labs, EKG, we do women health, we do drug abuse therapy, we do like opioid dependence treatment there also. And the last 3 months we moved to Fort Myers, where we basically expand the practice. We merge with Doctors to You, and we basically add more services. We generally had elderly services where we go to the house, we give them transportation, but now we expand everything even further to the Naples area, to calls and the community surrounding communities, where we provide home services to them also. And we also do hormone replacement therapy at the office here. So basically have a complete full service. And that also includes medical cannabis for patients that qualify for this also.
Now, let's elaborate on that a little bit, because it is such a valuable service that I want to spotlight. You're saying that you actually do home visits. So these are mobile physicians that will come to your home, not only for general services, but also for medical cannabis if you qualify. So do you want to expand on some of the services that your physicians are able to do when they come for their home visits?
Yeah, for a patient home visit, we evaluate them if they need home health. Some of them need physical therapy. We basically we work with labs that do the labs at the house also. And if they need to be referred for other services, like I say, home health, we refer them. So we have patients that basically, most of our patients are homebound. They need a lot of things to be done. Some of them has Foley catheter. When we go there, the physician remove them. We get a nurse with us that basically do their own care and things like this. So we have like a complete service for mostly our elderly patient. So for the medical cannabis, we also go to your house to if you can, because a lot of our elderly has a lot of problems that qualifies them for these routes. So if they qualify, we examine them, we do like a physical, and if the patient meet the criteria legally in Florida and based on our medical opinion, it will also qualifies them, and we put them in that.
Perfect. That's a great service that you're providing to the community, especially right now with people being a little nervous to go out.
Yeah, I know.
During a pandemic. So
I know.
having the physicians come in is invaluable.
Yes.
Yeah. So, well, thank you so much for your time this morning. I know you're a very busy man. We appreciate you taking the time out of your day to talk about the services that you provide and a little bit about yourself to get to know you. So
Yes,
thank
ma'am.
you. Thank you so much for coming into the Seniors Blue Book Network, and thank you for
Thank
your
you,
time.
Amanda. Thank you, Amanda. You have a blessed weekend.
You too.